The human face. It's a marvel of nature, a complex structure that conveys a myriad of emotions and expressions. It's the window to our emotions, revealing joy, sadness, anger, and surprise with just a glance. It's how we recognize each other, how we connect on a personal level. Faces are integral to our social interactions, helping us to identify friends, family, and even strangers. Now it's also being used to unlock our digital world. With just a look, we can access our smartphones, secure our data, and even make payments. Facial recognition technology is rapidly changing how we interact with technology and with each other. This technology is everywhere. It's in our phones, our security systems, and even in public spaces. And even at the airport, it's streamlining security processes, making travel more efficient, and enhancing safety. But how does it actually work? How does a machine learn to recognize a face, to distinguish one individual from millions of others? Facial recognition systems use complex algorithms and artificial intelligence to map facial features, creating a unique digital signature for each face. In this essay, we will explore the fascinating world of facial recognition. We'll look at the technology behind it, the science that makes it possible, and the various ways it's being used today. We'll delve into how it works, its many applications, from unlocking devices to enhancing security, and even its use in social media and marketing, and the ethical questions it raises. What are the implications for privacy? How do we ensure this technology is used responsibly and ethically? Join me as we unlock the secrets behind this powerful technology. Together, we'll navigate the promises and challenges of facial recognition in the digital age. Imagine a world where computers could recognize faces as easily as humans do. That world is now. Facial recognition software can identify individuals by analyzing unique patterns in their faces. But how? The process begins with identifying key facial features. These features act like landmarks on a map. They include the distance between your eyes, the width of your nose, the shape of your cheekbones, and the length of your jawline. These measurements are unique to each individual, much like a fingerprint. They create a distinct facial signature that the software can use for identification. Once these key features are identified, the software translates them into a mathematical code. This process involves analyzing various aspects of the face, such as the distance between the eyes, the shape of the cheekbones, and the contour of the lips. Each of these features is meticulously measured and converted into numerical values. This code is essentially a digital representation of your face, a facial fingerprint. Just like a traditional fingerprint, this digital code is unique to you. It captures the intricate details that make your face distinct from anyone else's. It's stored as a unique set of data points that the system can use for comparison. These data points are securely stored in a database, ready to be accessed whenever you use facial recognition technology. When you use facial recognition, the software captures a live image of your face. This live image is then processed in real time, ensuring that the system is working with the most current representation of your facial features. It then measures your facial features and creates a new code. This new code is generated by analyzing the same key features as before, ensuring consistency and accuracy in the recognition process. This new code is then compared to the stored facial fingerprint. The system performs a detailed comparison, checking each data point to see if it matches the stored information. If the codes match, the system verifies your identity. This verification process is crucial for ensuring that the person attempting to gain access is indeed who they claim to be. This process happens incredibly fast, often in a matter of seconds. The speed of this technology is one of its most impressive features, allowing for quick and seamless user experiences. It's this speed and efficiency that makes facial recognition so appealing for a wide range of applications. From unlocking smartphones to secure access in high-security areas, facial recognition technology is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. Its ability to provide quick, accurate, and secure identification is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. One of the most widespread uses of facial recognition is in security systems. Businesses use it to control access to buildings. Law enforcement agencies use it to identify suspects in crowds. Facial recognition adds an extra layer of security by verifying identities with high accuracy. It can help prevent unauthorized access and enhance safety measures in a variety of settings. But this technology's potential goes beyond traditional security. It's being used to find missing persons, track attendance in schools, and even personalize advertising. Section 5. Unlocking your world facial recognition in smartphones. In today's fast-paced world, technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate, and one of the most significant advancements in recent years is facial recognition technology in smartphones. Unlocking your smartphone is as simple as looking at it. This seamless process has revolutionized the way we interact with our devices, making it quicker and more intuitive than ever before. Facial recognition has become a standard feature on many devices. From flagship models to mid-range smartphones, this technology is now accessible to a wide range of users, providing a consistent and reliable unlocking experience. It provides a convenient and secure way to access your phone and its data. By using advanced algorithms and sensors, facial recognition ensures that only you can unlock your device, adding an extra layer of security. Gone are the days of remembering complex passwords or PINs. With facial recognition, you no longer need to worry about forgetting your password or someone guessing it. With facial recognition, your face becomes your key. This biometric method is not only more secure but also more personal, as it uses your unique facial features to grant access. The technology has made our lives easier and more efficient in many ways. From quickly checking messages to accessing important apps, facial recognition streamlines our daily smartphone usage. But this convenience also raises questions about privacy and data security. As we rely more on facial recognition, it's crucial to understand the implications of storing and using our biometric data. How secure is our facial data? This is a question that many users have, as the potential for misuse or unauthorized access to our biometric information is a valid concern. Who has access to it? Understanding who can access and control our facial data is essential for maintaining our privacy and security. These are important considerations as facial recognition becomes more integrated into our daily lives. As we continue to embrace this technology, we must remain vigilant about protecting our personal information and ensuring that our data is used responsibly. Section 6. Speeding through airports. Facial recognition for travel. Imagine breezing through airport security without having to pull out your passport or boarding pass. Facial recognition is making this a reality. Airports around the world are adopting facial recognition technology to expedite the check-in and boarding process. Passengers simply look at a camera, and their identity is verified against their travel documents. This streamlined approach reduces wait times, improves efficiency, and enhances security measures at airports. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more seamless and integrated travel experiences in the future. Section 7. The accuracy question when facial recognition gets it wrong. Facial recognition technology has come a long way, but it's not foolproof. Like any technology, it has its limitations. Accuracy is a major concern, as errors can have serious consequences. Factors like lighting, image quality, and facial expressions can affect the system's performance. There have been cases of misidentification, particularly among people of color, due to biases in training data. Addressing these biases and improving accuracy is crucial for ensuring that facial recognition is used fairly and ethically. Section 8. Ethical concerns. Privacy in the age of facial recognition. The rise of facial recognition has sparked intense debates about privacy. The technology's ability to identify and track individuals raises concerns about mass surveillance and the erosion of our privacy rights. Critics argue that the widespread use of facial recognition gives governments and corporations unprecedented power to monitor our movements and behavior. They fear a future where our every move is tracked and analyzed without our consent. These concerns highlight the need for clear regulations and guidelines on the use of facial recognition technology. Section 9. The debate: security versus privacy. The debate surrounding facial recognition often centers around the balance between security and privacy. Proponents argue that the technology is essential for preventing crime, enhancing security, and keeping citizens safe. They point to its success in catching criminals, finding missing persons, and preventing terrorist attacks. They believe that the benefits to public safety outweigh the potential privacy risks. Opponents, however, argue that these security gains come at too high a price. They believe that sacrificing our privacy will ultimately create a less free and more oppressive society. Section 10. The future of facial recognition: advancements and challenges. Facial recognition technology is constantly evolving. Researchers are working on developing more accurate, reliable, and less biased systems. Advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning are driving these improvements. However, as the technology advances, so do the ethical challenges. It's crucial that we have open and honest conversations about the potential impact of facial recognition on society. We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations to ensure its responsible development and deployment. The future of facial recognition depends on our ability to find a balance between its benefits and its risks. Section 11. Conclusion: a powerful tool, responsibly used. Facial recognition technology is a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. From enhancing security to improving convenience, its applications are vast and ever-growing. However, like any powerful tool, it must be used responsibly and ethically. We must address the concerns surrounding accuracy, bias, and privacy to ensure that facial recognition benefits society as a whole. By engaging in thoughtful dialogue and implementing appropriate safeguards, we can harness the power of this technology while safeguarding our fundamental rights and freedoms.